Hey y'all, watch me stay up for 36 hours straight as I travel to Morocco. I am really lucky that I get to teach a 7-day painting retreat overseas every summer. This year I'm going to Morocco and I'm so excited. But the thing that kept me occupied during those long hours of not being able to sleep on a plane was this book. Absolutely love the quiet of being able to read a book on a plane away from children. This is the point where Lincoln and I noticed that our hats kind of matched and we look like Mario and Luigi. So of course I had to take mine off. I really liked this book. I liked it in the moment, but I really liked afterwards sort of thinking about what it meant. And it was a quick read. Here's the Morocco airport. It's beautiful, and so is Morocco. I was way too tired at this point to really take it in, so I videoed it. Marrakesh is so incredibly charming. Here I am, having had slept and showered. I'm a new person, and we walked over to this cafe. It was next to this beautiful mosque where we had coffee and tea. I'm absolutely addicted to this tea. It's like peppermint tea, and I'm obsessed with it. And here I was, just people watching, enjoying, taking it all in, and we ate some food. I think this is like a vegetarian tagine and a salad. Maybe it was because we were absolutely starving, but it was the best salad I've had in a very long time. And of course, we explored the mosque up close. And afterwards, we hiked over to the Jardin Majorelle, which was absolutely stunning. Definitely, if you're in Marrakesh, recommend checking it out. But yeah, that's the end of our first day. I travel over to the retreat tomorrow, and I start teaching the day after that. Bye, guys.